Atlassian's AI evolution. What is the new normal? Well, I'll be happy to be inviting our next speaker, who's ever so patient, wanting all of you to, like I said, lend your ears to what's coming up next. Can you please have Patrao, the Regional Channel Lead, India and Southern Asia at Atlassian, to please come forward. Carl, you're right here. Hello and a very, very warm welcome to you. All over to you. Thank you.
Wow, that's my face. Doesn't seem to be going anywhere. Ooh. All right. All right. Good evening, everyone. My name is Patrao. I am the Regional Channel Manager for Atlassian for India. As you probably all know, let me have a quick show of hands. How many of you use Atlassian in your organizations? All right. How many of you use Jira in your organizations? Do you know it's the same company? All right. So we're known a lot more for Jira. And for some reason, I'm not able to push back. But let me move forward. I've been given 10 minutes. I've got a lot of information in 10 minutes, and I don't know how I'm going to do it. But Atlassian is, we are committed to unleashing the potential of every team. We've got about 400,000 customers who use our collaboration tools. And now with artificial intelligence, we are adding that experience layer to your tools that you're using. What can Atlassian do for you? It can help you get instant help. It can, let me give you a few examples of that. In your day-to-day work, every employee has some help that he needs. It could be he needs help with an NDA, wants to know if he can take his dog to the office, could want some software to be activated on his laptop, could be something like he spilled coffee on his laptop. Now, what do you do in such situations? You have your regular agents that go help them troubleshoot. With intelligence or with the JSM virtual assistant, it has the ability to help you in your conversations. All right? So it becomes a virtual agent in either Teams or in Slack. Let's look at an example over here where Jane wants some new software on her laptop. All right? When she goes onto Slack and asks a couple of questions, the Slack agent immediately starts. And in our case, it's called Charlie. Your organization can call it whatever you want, but this is what we have named our virtual agent. It has the ability to recognize the request, then ask questions to the employee, and based on that, do the right processes that's required. So in this case, Charlie has the ability to get a new license access for Jane. And that's one of the examples that it can do. Let's look at a few more. All right, the second one probably happens a lot in your organizations. Someone spills coffee in their laptop. They're working from home, need some help. They've raised a ticket. And all through the day, they've got someone helping them. So Arya's got a problem with her laptop. She spilled coffee on it. And she's been working with Molly troubleshooting it across the day. Now Molly is going to go, her shift's over, she's going to transition it over into a new person. And Omar is going to take over. Omar has no idea what's happening with the thing. So instead of him having to go through the entire ticket history, Atlassian Intelligence summarizes exactly what has been talked about, what troubleshooting articles have been given, and it also gives him a couple of options to start talking to Arya about. Ultimately, they decide that, yes, she needs a new laptop. That is what he's going to tell her. And he puts a text in saying, yes, this is what I want to do. You're going to get your new laptop. I understand that you need it as soon as possible, so I'm going to send it to you. The Atlassian Intelligence has the ability to do all of that for you and give you a final summary. And when you decide that, okay, I don't want this text to go in that order, you can change it so it's perfect for you, and then you can send it out. All right, software, Jira software. I'm trying to go through this really fast so that all of you get a flavor of what Atlassian Intelligence is doing for our products. When you're looking at Jira software, say for example, in this example where you want to test your mobile app for operating systems and phones, the editor, it has a very powerful editor, the Atlassian Intelligence, which helps you with rich fonts to provide tables, links, and emojis that help you create your software a lot faster. So it helps efficiency building across the entire process. And the last one, it's a 45-minute slide I needed to go through. I'm sorry, I'm having a lot of problems with my, all right, I'm the right one. Okay, the last one. You've got a lot of places where you've got your SharePoint portal, you could have Confluence. You have places where you have a lot of resources that are there, and you do not have the ability to understand what's happening. When you want a summary of large text, or say, for example, if you had a meeting which has got multiple pages, Intelligence has the option of quickly going into that page, summarizing everything for you. If there were decisions that were made, it gives that to you in the summary as well, and it will also tell you what the actions are that you can do. So very briefly, this is what the Atlassian platform can do. This is what virtual intelligence comes as a user experience across all the tools that we've got. And this was announced in May this year. It will, if you're already users of Atlassian, and if you're on the cloud family, you will start seeing these products as you start turning them on. All right. I'm sorry, my presentation seems to be going all over the place, but thank you, everyone. This is what happens when you switch from Keynote to PPT last minute. Thanks.
Thank you very, very much, Carl. Thank you so much. Is there any question, or just in case we can ask the people?
Since we've got time, if you have any questions, happy to answer them. Please don't ask me about pricing. All right, thank you. Have a great evening. I think I'm the only one standing between you and your next break, so back to everyone.
Yes, we'll let you go, but one very important announcement. But let's extend a round of cheer for Carl as well. Carl, thank you so much.